Hello everyone. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Today we will discuss about technical analysis, support and resistance. The question now is this support and resistance important in the stock market? Yes, it is very important because this is the area where we want to buy shares and sell our shares. So last Saturday we are discussing about the bid and ask. So this is the bid area, this is the buyer, and this area ask is the seller. So if you see here, there is 6,180 total shares they want to sell at 122 pesos per share. There is 8 person, no? And there is one person here at the bottom, and he want to buy 5,000 shares at 121.5 pesos per share. And the other hand also there is 6 person, total share they want to sell is 4,880 at a price of 124.5. And there are 9 person, total of 32,150 shares they want to sell it to at a price of 125 pesos per share. So the question now, why they want to buy on this price? Especially here, this 8 person they want to buy at 122 because this is a support area. And here, these people here, why they want to sell this their shares, no, in 32,150,000 total shares they want to sell because this area is a resistance. So now it is clear that the buyer is always watching the support area and the seller is always selling their position in the resistance area. So this is the difference between support and resistance. Buyers, they want to buy in the support, and seller, they want to sell in the resistance area. So this is the rules of support and resistance. The first rule is the support and resistance are areas, not the exact numbers. So there's no exact numbers there. It is area. Next one, when broken, resistance becomes support and support becomes resistance. So if the resistance I'm a break going up, then it will become support when the price going back on that area. And if the support I'm broken down, if the area will going back and bouncing up, this will become a resistance. So the third one is the more time a resistance or support line holds, the more significant. So it is more than 2 or 3 times, it is more significant. The fourth one is the more significant the support or resistance is, the more explosive when it is broken. So if the resistance is significant and it is broken, going up, the price of course will going up. And if there is support I'm a breakdown, of course the price will going down. The next one is a slow steady downward move is more likely to break the support than a quick dive. The same with the resistance, it is more likely to hold when approached by sharp rallies. So kung ang presyo ay pababa ng paunti-unti, going steady slowly, so the support possible, there's a possibility that the support ay ma-break. So the same with the resistance, no? Kung tataas diretso yung presyo galing sa baba, there's a possibility that the resistance ay mag-hold. So vice versa, no? Kung paunti-unti yung angat, there's a possibility also that the resistance ay ma-break. So the next one is higher volume at the support and resistance area are more significant. The seventh one is support and resistance are areas, are places where price is most likely to reverse, thus providing good entry and exit opportunities. So this is support, it means the area where we need to see, and this is the area the buyers want to buy. And if the resistance, this is the area the seller wants to sell. This is the exit area, no? If you buy in the support and if the price going up to the resistance, then If there is a rejection, then you need to take some of your profit. So this is the reason why there is support and resistance. Buy at the support, sell at the resistance area if there is rejection. Now, what is support, by the way? Support refers to the price level that an asset does not fall below for a period of time. So there are sideways movement, or it depends on the time, no, how many times hitting this price in the support area. So this is the asset does not fall below for a period of time, or an area where people buy. This is the area people want to buy. The support line can be flat or slanted up or down with the overall price trend. So either it is flat or slanted. So now we will discuss first the flat, the horizontal support. Now if you see here the price movement of San Miguel Corporation, the price here is nag-hold po dito na area. So this area is the support. Kasi nag-hold po yung price diyan. So we call this one as support. Here is called as support because nag-hold po yung price. So this is the support. If the price does not fall below for a period of time. So when there is a retracement of the price going back on this area, and there is a bounce. So this is a support line. So this is the buyer's area. The buyers want to see where is the support area. And this is the area we need to test buy. So if the support area break, then of course we need to get out. But for the case of San Miguel, the support is still holding. So if the price is going up, then you can sell it and take your profit if there is a rejection in the resistance area. So the next one is, what is resistance, by the way? So why it is important, no? Resistance is the price at which the price of an asset meets pressure, no, on its way up. So by the emerging of growing numbers of sellers who wish to sell at that price, or an area where people sell. The resistance line can be flat or slanted up or down with the overall price trend. So if you see here in the chart of San Miguel Corporation, there is a rejection here. Of course, this is a resistance. So take note that this area is a resistance. When the price hitting again on this line, if you buy it in the support area, on this area here, of course, you need to be aware that this line is the resistance, this line. You need to be aware that this area is a resistance. So when you buy it here in the bottom, then if the price is going up and then there is a rejection, of course, you need to sell your share here and take some of your profit. So again, when as per our procedure here, the rules, here there is a breakout of the resistance. Na-break po yung resistance. You see the price is going up. So now, again hitting the resistance, and there's a pullback here, the support, and then hitting the resistance, there is a rejection. Of course, if you buy here, then you need to sell it here. So the same principle. This is support, and this is a resistance. There is a rejection always because the seller is always there. So next topic, we need to discuss about support and resistance, slanted up or down. So I hope you learned something about this discussion, and if you have questions, just put your comments in the comments box. And that's all for today. Thank you very much, and God bless us all always.